Recovery Recipe is a short, bite-sized video advice for hospitality businesses. I'm Mark Elliott, MD of marketing agency sparksforgrowth.com. We specialise in marketing for the hospitality sector. Each expert in these short videos will share with you their crucial ingredients to help you and your business to create a successful recovery recipe. Today, I'm delighted to be joined by Carina, who is an expert in social media strategy, management, and advertising. Hi, Carina. How are you doing today?
Hi, Mark. I'm very well, thanks. Thanks so much for having me.
You're welcome. I'd like to sort of ask you, Carina, what general advice would you offer to hospitality professionals as an expert in social media strategy to help hospitality businesses recover in the next few weeks and months ahead?
So the first thing I would say, which is really important to remember, is that social media is the first place that your guests go to get informed. So if there's nothing going on social, they expect the hotel or the restaurant, your business just might not be ready for the new normal post-lockdown. So I would really recommend paying close attention to your social media marketing strategy and being really prepared for not just your opening, but running your communications in the new environment, and also being ready in the event that your communication has to shift. So really my general advice would be to be present and to be ready and engaged on all platforms.
Oh, that's absolutely useful advice, and I totally agree that to not be seen is not to be there. And how do you suggest that they engage customers and stimulate bookings using social media? Because in the end, getting bookings is critical to recover revenues, and particularly at the moment, where I think encouraging customers to book is a little harder.
Definitely. Well, I would say, first of all, you need to reassure your guests. Make sure that you know what you're doing and they're safe in your hands. So your main priority really will have to, in your communications, will be how you're keeping them safe and why they should visit you. I'd say the first thing really to do would be to edit your bios, your About Us sections, your policies, and include any updates that might include things like your opening hours, or which restaurants and where people can eat, what they can expect when they come to visit you. Definitely include your cancellation policy, because that's going to be key. People, might have a good intention to book something and then might back out last minute because they're not quite ready yet. So perhaps, sharing information like that can be really important. I'd say that some topics that are really great to maybe discuss on social media in this new era would be things like what precautions you're taking to keep them safe. That can include, the extra cleaning that you might be doing, the distancing rules, or if not rules, just maybe distancing measures that you might be taking in the restaurant that might make people feel a little bit better. Virtual tours of the location is a nice way to create a longing to be at your establishment.
Okay.
So some, it really brings in kind of a feeling of you're already there, so why not come visit us? Also, showcasing your staff is a really lovely way to get people to engage with you. So giving your business a personal touch. People always feel safer when they know who they're interacting with. So make sure that your guests feel like they know you, including their daily work routines is a nice idea. What they love about working at the restaurant or the hotel is a nice idea. So really just sharing that personal aspect, make people feel comfortable with you. Showcasing.
Wonderful. And does that all then add up to how hotels and restaurants can create more footfall, and how that they can actually increase bookings for larger events as well, do you think?
Yeah, definitely. So I'd say that paid targeted advertising is going to be your best friend regarding footfall. People want to get out of their house. They might not be taking trips abroad, or if they are, they want to see what's going on around them. Ads will remind them of your establishment, your amenities, how far away you are, and you can make a huge social impact using a very limited budget. So I think that the reminder of that staycation, the reminder that you aren't that far away, using paid advertising will be really useful. You can do that across all platforms, so that would be great. So again, that goes back to the fact that you really should have a base social media strategy going into this that can really kind of follow line and make sense to people.
That's amazing. Thanks, Carina. That's you've covered a huge amount of ground there, and I think those advice and tips, as always, are brilliant. Now, I'd just like to say to anyone watching that to find and contact Carina, please go to sparksforgrowth.com. or LinkedIn and search for Carina Arkless. I'd also like to say that we wish you all the best to restart, and hope today's recipe ingredient from Carina helps you on your journey. And you can find more ingredients and recipes by following the hashtag Recovery Recipe 2020. Carina, thank you very much for your time, and thank you for everyone for watching.
Thanks so much.